Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to deep dive into the critical role of electrical engineers in power utility, emergency response, and disaster management. We will discover a career path where you can truly make a difference. Electrical engineers in this field work at the forefront of disaster response, ensuring that power systems are resilient, secure, and quickly restored after interruption due to natural disasters or those caused by human activities. In this role, electrical engineers assess risk to electrical systems. They develop and implement restoration strategies, and they proactively plan for disaster mitigation in order to minimize its impact on public safety, infrastructure, and critical assets. There's some key skills that you need to have in order to have a successful career in this role. It includes strong analytical abilities to assess and optimize power systems, leadership to manage teams under pressure, and excellent problem-solving capabilities to handle unexpected challenges. Now, when you look at it, these are a very broad range of activities, and there is no particular career path that will help you develop all of these skill sets. In reality, these skills are developed by electrical engineers who are technically very sound, have a broad range of experiences, they can handle the pressure, they are great with interpersonal skills, and can manage the resources effectively. Because at any given time, they will be making technical decisions. They'll also be working with very tight schedule, interacting with different personalities, multiple stakeholders. In any type of crisis management role, you want to have a particular type of personality that can shift gears seamlessly. More formally, career paths in this role, you can start out as an entry-level system operator that will give you a high-level overview of the entire infrastructure, and you can progress slowly but surely into roles such as Senior Disaster Response Strategist. Along the way, you must take initiatives, show your leadership skills, improve your technical skill set, invest your time and effort in continuing education, and demonstrate your ability to perform under stress. The impact of this role is profound. Restoring power means that you're bringing the communities back to life. You're helping in recovery, and depending on the scale of outage and disaster, in many cases you may actually be directly saving lives. For example, if a hospital undergoes an extended outage, it can quite literally mean that many human lives may be on the line. And your ability and that of your team to restore power quickly can make a difference between life and death of many patients in the hospital. So how do you make an entry into this career? To enter this field, typically a degree in electrical engineering is required. You're also expected to develop skill set in different areas of power systems. You can start out as a design engineer, get familiarized with codes and standards, conduct power system studies, develop experience in power flow, power system stability, take specialized training in emergency management, learn about disaster response strategies, and along the way, do the necessary certifications in safety and systems management. So while the challenges are significant, involving long hours, maybe working in remote locations, and sometimes even in hazardous conditions, the rewards, both on the professional and personal front, can be immense. So if you're looking for a career in electrical engineering, where you can apply your theoretical knowledge and make a concrete difference, power utility, emergency response, and disaster management, where you can unlock a rewarding career path that can be both lucrative and satisfying. If you're interested in learning more about electrical engineering careers in power systems industry and found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. On a weekly basis, I am creating content related to electrical engineering with a focus on power systems. And as part of this series on careers in power systems industry, I am creating episodes by focusing on different aspects of electrical engineering and opportunities that exist for electrical engineers. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to share them in the comment section of this video. If you're working as an electrical engineer as part of an emergency response team in a power systems utility, I'd love to hear from you. What is it that you like about this role? What are the challenges and the rewards associated with it? And if you are somebody who is considering a career in power systems utility with a focus on emergency response, hopefully you found this video helpful. So look forward to seeing you in the next episode soon. Thank you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section of this video below. You can find tons of success stories of my FE Electrical and PE Power students over here. And if you want to learn more about preparation of FE Electrical and Computer exam and the PE Power exam, then check out these playlists over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.